video is going to teach you how to go from grams to moles or from moles to grams. We're going to find that when we do this unit in stoichiometry, we're going to use this quite frequently. When you convert from grams to moles or moles to gram, you're going to need the molar mass, which is found on the periodic table. Remember, the units of the periodic table are grams per mole. The first thing that you want to do when you're solving a problem is determine what you want. So for our first problem here, we want moles. So I'm going to put that here. And I'm going to put it over 1 because we're going to play the dimensional analysis game. The second thing that we're going to do is make our fraction toolbox. We're going to go ahead and automatically, when we do grams to mole and mole to gram conversions, is to put the molar mass from the periodic table down. The molar mass of aluminum carbonate is 233.99 grams per mole. That was shown on a video about molar mass. Look back a couple of weeks and I'll show you how to do that if you don't know how to do that. The next thing is you're going to find the numbers and the units inside the problem. So right here I have a number and a unit. So I've got 4.678 grams, and there's no unit on the bottom, but I'm going to put a 1 just to make sure things kind of stay straight. Then I'm going to come here to what I want and play the dimensional analysis game. Because I want moles, that's the first thing that's going to have to show up here. So I look at my toolbox. And I try to find something with moles in it. This first one has grams and moles. The second one has just grams. So I'm going to use this one because here are the moles that I'm looking for. So I'm going to put mole on top and grams on the bottom. With the molar mass, the number always goes by the grams. So it's 233.99 grams. Now I've got the moles that I want, but I picked up some baggage. I picked up some grams. So I want to cancel my grams. And so it's going to show up here for grams. So now I'm going to look on my toolbox, and in fact I did get a mass with a 1 on the bottom. It's 4.678 grams over 1. When I plug that into my calculator, I'm going to multiply straight across. So actually it's 4.67 times 1 mole. So my number on top will be 4.678. The number that I'm going to divide by is 1 times 233.99. So in a sense, I'm going to take 4.678 and divide by 233.99. The answer on my calculator comes out to be 0.019992. If you'll notice, this first answer here, the 4.678, has 4 sig figs. The number, our molar mass number, has 5 sig figs. So my answer will be rounded to the lowest. It's going to be 4 sig figs. I don't count these first 2 because they're leading zeros. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I look next door. Because it's a 2, I don't pop it up. So my answer becomes 0.01999.